Good morning, guys. Okay, I'm gonna put here. Hello, everyone. Happy Wednesday. It's FOMC day. Guys, I'm gonna come back in just 30 seconds. You can count. How are you guys? How are you? 24 hours. It's fine. It's fine. It's not so long, by the way, for me. I'm doing great. I didn't see you yesterday. Where were you? Where's my pointer? It's here. Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Happy Wednesday, everyone. I'm doing great, as always. As always, I'm doing great. Hey, people. Hey, people. How often do you do girls' hours trading? It's usually on Monday. Normally it's from 1:30 to 2:30 p.m. Sometimes they ask me to like come early, or sometimes they ask me to go like other day. But normally my schedule each Monday. And on Ninja Trader TV I do each Friday. But this Friday is bank holiday, that's why I was this Monday. We will talk about bias just in a moment, okay? I just don't want to repeat it several times. Let's wait for people to come. Are we killing today? Yes. Yes, absolutely yes. 100% yes. And only yes. I was on Monday. I was from 12:30 to 2:30. I was longer than usual because they asked me to come early, and I actually enjoy this so much. So I talk about my bias and view on market the rest of the week. I'm looking for lower to long today to all-time high. So I'm looking for move towards weekly open. Maybe after, I don't know when it's going to happen. It's FOMC. Will it be like chop IM session? Or we're going to get like nice setup? We will see. That's my guys. Here is my perfect scenario here. I'm looking for move towards previous daily low level. We're hitting weekly open. I'm looking for longs to all-time high. That's what I would like to get. What will happen? I have no idea. Giveaway link funded.now/giveaway. It's always same link. Yes, Daniel. We have also weekly flat candle. So technically, I want to see previous daily low level, weekly open, and I'm going to long to all-time high. All-time high, actually it's from C today. Technically we can hit this today, but I don't know, we will see. Michael said I'm looking for all-time high fake outs to go to weekly gap. You want to see higher than lower? I was thinking about this, honestly, just for now. Maybe something will change looking at 4 chart and hourly chart. I don't see reason to go to all-time high now. I just feel like it's going to be from nowhere, just looking on high time frame. If I want to look for longs to all-time high now, it will be really hard for me to frame long setup, because from what level we're going to reverse from? That's a question for me. Once again, I'm looking for all-time high 100%, but question is, can we retrace to long? At this point, like, we're going to see obvious liquidity level, and we're going to like look for obvious reversal. FOMC day has one. Yeah, we will see. Since it's FOMC, technically, yes, all-time high can hit today. Wow, that's crazy. Trump speaking at 9:30, right? Will you trade FOMC? Honestly, I was thinking about this and I was like, damn, probably I want to take this easy today, and I decided to schedule appointment at this time, so just simply avoid trading FOMC because I can. And I was like, no, I'm going to schedule appointment. I will try to stay disciplined, and I'm going to schedule appointment right at this time when it's going to be FOMC to miss this. Hey, Barbara, how are you? I'm doing great. How are you? Definitely last couple of weeks weren't easy, but once again, in order to stay in this game and keep our accounts alive, we just need to manage our risk, right? I always talk about this. I'm going to keep talking about this. We're going to manage our risk. So yesterday, break-even day for me. So far this week, kind of like, I made good money on Monday. I took a loss and win. Like, guys, nowadays, I take usually 2 trades, loss and win for some magical reason, or wins and loss. So yeah, my win rate not perfect. But okay, once again, as long as my win bigger than loss, it's fine. But still kind of, I feel it was kind of hard to frame right setup, to understand bias. I know it's like all-time high behavior, probably that's fine. But for me personally, last couple of weeks weren't easy. Hey Lumi, good morning. Do you remember me? Maybe I do, but once again, one second. It will take some time. Nickname sounds familiar, but don't remember when and where I saw you. No all-time high for now? No. How I see picture, we're trading to new week opening gap, and I'm looking for a reaction. If it's going to reverse to all-time high now, personally, I see this as reversal from nowhere. I'm not bearish, but I'm looking for lower to long. I need to get strong SMT at lows. MXM. You know, my husband, yesterday, my husband asked me what I did on Monday. Like, he asked, like, what I did, like, in the morning, lunchtime, and afternoon. I was like, I have no idea. I don't remember. Yes, you're right. Yeah, we're still in the range. So let's try to be patient today and wait for good setup. I do trade ICT Concept, and I trade strategy based on New York midnight open, liquidity sweep, and order blocks. That's pretty much it. It's not funny, by the way, MXM. Yeah, you know. Guys, listen to me. My kids are usually in trouble in daycare. I don't know why. Around my kids, all kids, like, they normal kids, like, they play with each other, they, like, do something. My kids fighting all the time. They kick each other all the time, and I keep getting calls, and, like, I keep getting, like, conversation with teacher. They're in trouble. Like, why? Why? I feel so bad already when I go to daycare to pick them up. And yesterday she said, we're going to write a report next time. They're going to keep fighting and kick each other because other kids trying to repeat their behavior. And I'm like, dumb. And I have no idea what to do with this. So yeah, that's my biggest problem right now. And probably wants to know, it's boys. It's okay. No, other boys are normal kids, not my kids. I stepped out yesterday and got nice long on ES. It wasn't bad. No, like, jokes aside, guys, if you have boys, like your kids' boys, like, what do you do with them? How you explain this to them to listen? But we're so happy for you. Isn't anyone? That's because of me. 3 months, yeah. My kids are 5 and another one's going to be 7 in 2 months. I cannot hit my kids all the time. It's not gonna work. Yeah, last time it was on Saturday. Last Saturday, they went to ice skating classes, and I saw they kept fighting with each other and kicking each other. And coach said exactly the same what teacher from daycare said yesterday. I was like, dumb. Other kids like they play, they do something, but not my kids. So I used to give them like iPad for like when they like good boys. I give them an iPad. Right now, I had iPads for 7 months. I had it for 1 month. Then another day, they were like crazy. I said like 7 months with no iPads, and now I had it like remote control from TV for 3 weeks. I'm not sure if it's going to help. Honestly, I'm trying to talk with them, but I don't know. I was asking teacher to separate them, but they said we have only one group for a summer camp for big kids, and we cannot do this. They don't eat much sugar. And guys, I try to keep them busy. They do Monday and Wednesday jiu-jitsu for discipline. That was main reason why we went there. Tuesday and Thursday we do ice skating and hockey. Friday, Saturday we do kickboxing, and on Saturday also we have ice skating, and Sunday is hockey. So basically 7 days a week. No, they're never tired. I need you to XYZ always. It sets expectations what they need to raise and say, that's interesting. My kids 17 months apart. Funny because it's same age. My kids are not going to be in the same class in school, fortunately. But in daycare and other like sport classes in the same group. I don't read with them. You think it's gonna help, Danielle? No, ever. So I try to keep them busy, but oh god. So my biggest problem right now in my life, my kids, because I don't know what to do with them. Lead by example. That's actually interesting. I didn't think about this. Yeah, they're young, and I was thinking maybe like that's age like 5 and 6, so they're growing, so they like trying to explore this world. But at the same time, I see other kids same age, and I'm not trying to compare, but only my kids like that. Yeah, I'm trading September contract. I don't sell any courses. No. Yeah, I just don't like that teachers and coaches keep saying like they cannot listen, they keep fighting, and that's annoying. Especially like yesterday, from daycare. It wasn't daycare. She recorded the video how my kids were kicking each other and fighting, and other kids were trying to repeat. So they joined this perfect party yesterday, and I was like, dumb, and it's my kids. Other kids are in Russian. I mean, yes. You're right, but still. Summer vacation, I didn't think about this. Barbara, actually, you're right. I was thinking about this, but if I'm going to be like that, will it help? My kids are good. When they like do something like doing project, like some art classes, they also do chess classes. What? Mm-mm. And teachers keep saying like they're good at this, but when it's playtime. Any books or channel? Depends what you're trying to learn. Shows that I don't have this video. She recorded her phone. He asked if it's hot inside, like in the office or not. I live in the US, guys, in Florida. But yeah, my kids, they never tired, guys. Can you remind me about props just around like 10 a.m., 10:30 a.m.? I will talk about this. No idea. Yeah, I need to think about this. So for now, guys, let's back to trading. So I'm gonna highlight 50% of our fair value gap. This morning on Twitter, I said I would like to short. If you're going to stay below 50% of our fair value gap to previous daily low level, that's my plan today. You know, like, it's a dream for lots of people, but what you see in the movie about US, it's not reality. It's not really like what is going on in the US. So it's slightly different. I lived in the US for 10 years. Instruments, that's actually interesting as well. I feel they're still young, but I want to do more chess classes for them because they have teacher right now and they do like 30-minute class. That's Russian-speaking teacher. I absolutely love him. And he said he wants to do more classes with them because they're doing so good there. So I was thinking maybe I can do like 2-3 times a week, like chess classes. But I feel like they like it's still a bit early for them, probably. I feel so I feel so bad, Barbara, at this point. Hey, Pasha. You have to be hard on them. I'm trying, by the way. I'm not like a soft parent, if I can say so. Yeah, we do kickboxing classes twice a week. It's Russian-speaking teacher, and I absolutely love this because he like, not like, can you please do this? He's saying like, do this now. And that's what works for me. That's why we pick kickboxing with Russian teacher, not American. So yeah, they love chess classes. They keep asking like, can we do more classes? I was like, sure, if you like it, let's do this. So they start in young age, like 5 and 6. I believe that's nice. Yeah, for discipline, that's why jiu-jitsu was best option for me to learn discipline because like I do like their teachers. Our teachers in jiu-jitsu classes, they're super strict there. So they're trying to learn discipline there as well. Go short. I'm gonna wait for market to open first. Don't want to short pre-market. Yeah, I know about this. Yeah, jokes aside, my kids went to Russian daycare and they play with Russian kids, Russian-speaking kids. Why I picked this option? Simply because they don't really want to speak Russian. They understand everything but don't want to speak Russian. So we decided to pick Russian daycare. So they are right now there. And also we pick like Russian classes, like kickboxing classes, chess classes, so they can communicate with Russian kids as well. Russian speaking kids. It's not only like Russian. So yeah, love this. A book on Instagram. 1 second. Thank you. Gonna take screenshot. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you, Danielle. Found it. Do you want them to live in Russia? Nope. I mean, it will be their choice when they're going to grow up. They were born here in the US. Yeah, thank you so much. Appreciate this. Yeah, that's the reason why I want to separate my kids all the time, but sometimes there is no option like that. It's funny because when I go, like, let's say to grocery store, I always ask who wants to go with me. Usually it's like Nathan. He's saying like, I want to go with you, and he's like perfect kid. Sometimes I go to grocery store with Daniel, and Daniel is perfect kid as well. But when they together, it's dumb so hard. But yesterday they passed class, so they were in basic 5 in ice skating class. Right now they basic 6. Like basic 6, basic 7, basic and they're done. So I'm bullish to all-time high, but I don't mind to get some move lower first. So I may actually look for shorts below 50% of our fair value gap to long from new week opening gap. That's plan right now. Let's see how it's going to work. Yeah, FOMC today, we will see. Guys, while we're waiting to for market to open, don't forget to click the like button, share the stream with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe. No. Yeah, I like your idea. Thank you, Buffer. Yes, I'm looking for move towards London high and probably test a 50% of our fair value gap. You see this highlighted on my screen over here and over here. Probably we'll have more interest in Q trade today, but we will see. As long as we're going to stay below 50%, I'm looking for lower to trade all the way down to previous daily low level, weekly open, and new week opening gap. That's my plan for today. Let's hope. Let's just hope to get this nice short, and FOMC may send us higher. But once again, I don't want to predict where FOMC is going to go. Just don't want to do this. But yeah, I see potential all-time high after new week opening gap. Yeah, Maxim, we will see. I'm not going to be in a rush today. Not going to lie. What I do like here, looking just at current picture, market still bullish. Let me actually compare with YM 1 second. Look at YM. YM's super bullish here. So how I see YM with ES and Q? We got an absolutely amazing move. It's all-time high, right? All-time high on YM. So I'm looking for that retracement all the way down. We got nice daily fair value gap here. So you may trade back to daily fair value gap on YM and on ES and then Q, and then reversal from there. Move from external to internal, back to external. So I am actually support this idea. Let's see if it's going to work today. Okay, maybe, which will be absolutely ridiculous, but possible. NQ will fail to take this low, previous daily low level, but ES will, which will offer SMT. I will be okay with this. Not fun, since we have flat candle weekly open. It's still flat candle, see this? Current weekly candle. But I might be okay if it's going to fail to take previous daily low level and there's a daily fair value gap, but at the same time YM will trade into this daily fair value gap and ES will trade into this daily fair value gap, I may try to long. Consider this as SMT. So yeah, B adjust is on. Adjust to new contract changes. It's on. Trump is going to speak now? Yeah, we will see. Let me open my book, financial juice. So we're gonna just observe what kind of news we get. Nothing yet, right? Barbara, don't even ask. Of course it's going to be W. Of course. Of course. Of course. I need to charge, I guess, my iPad. I keep checking news on my iPad, so while we're on stream, I don't have. Let me charge this. Let me charge this. Here we go. Anyway, let's see if you're going. Honestly, would like to see lower to long, but if it's not going to be presented today, it's fine. If it's not going to offer short opportunity too long later today, so technically we can get 2 trades, I will be disappointed. So once again, I'm looking for move towards the daily fair value gap and the previous daily low level, which I may short, and then I will look for long from there. That will be so good. Please give us opportunity. $4.30. Damn, it's kind of low. I may look for shorts if you're going to respect 50% of our fair value gap. If it's going to see London high, I will start looking for shorts. That's my plan right now. Let's see if I'm right. Let me duplicate this one, by the way. Gonna put this here just to keep like high time frame on my chart. Okay. And KCP straight. Honestly, I don't see reason to increase yet. I usually take this low to get same, for example, to get same payout. If I'm going to increase, I'm just going to take same payout just faster. So with bigger risk, no reason for me to increase risk. Especially when you trade lots of accounts. No reason for this. Rejection for 15 and BPR. Let's see. So far we do have SMT. Not perfect yet. Looking for previous daily low level first. It's 3-minute chart. Gonna check 15. 1 second. We do have SMT, which I absolutely love, not confirmed yet. Anyway, let's see if we're going to get in short. To previous daily low level. 1 second. No. Okay. Market just opened, so once again we're not gonna be in rush right now, but please give us solid short opportunity. How many points away? Like 10 points away from previous daily low level. SPX opened above 25% of Monday gap, so new week opening gap, RTH gap. Honestly, short from 3 a.m. it was done so textbook setup. Absolutely amazing setup. Good morning, good morning. Wait a second. I created a new layout yesterday on ESNQ, so to keep my chart a bit like more clean, if I can say so. So right now I'm on MNQ and MES chart. So we got 3-minute OB. Damn, look at these candlesticks. Look just ugly, but at the same time, it still can be Judas swing, which is probably can be the problem for this. Let me delete for now. I feel like not enough manipulation to upside, so technically left London high, but let me see something. I guess not fun yet. Let me see 1 second here. Trade it into early fair value gap. I will wait. I'm not fun yet. Simply because market still market just opened. Technical stop looks good, but let's wait for a little bit. Just opened. It can be just Judas swing before the move happens. I will wait. Not fun yet. Let's check YM real quick, guys. Yeah, let's wait for YM to confirm short setup. And then we will short, I think. Because YM back to this daily fair value gap, damn, it can be so good. Let me... Yeah, I'm gonna do like that. You can see everything, right? It's not bad, by the way, here. Just don't like how YM right now moves. It can be Judas swing here. Not going to engage in this trade yet. I'm gonna wait for at least 950 macro first. I question this setup for now. Why I question this setup? Yes, we entered early fair value gap, which is not bad, but at the same time left some liquidity higher. So technically can go higher first. We will see. Which time frame? That's MNQ. Let me switch on MNQ on Ninja Trader. To trade reaction. It can fail, I believe. On first try. Don't want to try this yet. Unless YM will offer invalidation of this move up and I will try to shorten Q. I am fine with this as well. YM super bullish for now. So, it's like 50-50 setup right now. But looking, if YM will invalidate, I will try. Nowadays, our first try like fails, but I feel like this one can work. even like at this time. Let's see if IM will offer any signs of invalidation of this bullish run, so I can try to trade this on MNQ. But right now, 50-50 trade. Don't want to try this yet, but don't mind. Stop loss down 80 points. Well, no rush. We will wait. I would try to see shorts from after sweeping London high. Let's see how we're going to react first. Because I'm okay to give it this a try again, like first try, but probably will reduce risk. Trying to see how displacement from fair value gap is going on so far. If you're going to respect, maybe I will try 2 micros probably on this trade. I'm willing to try once YM will invalidate this bullish run. I will try to short in Q, or it's going to displace now. I will try to short this. With damn, looks good to me. Okay, I'm willing to try, I guess. If I'm wrong, I will get stopped, I guess, here. Okay, I'm gonna try. I know. Willing to try here. Damn, I entered 3 micros, wanted to, whatever. Willing to try. If I'm like a bit early, I will re-enter later. I do like how we're displacing right now. I accidentally entered 3 micros, so wanted 3, probably will partial at this level. Putting my stop loss above 50% of 3-minute OB, since we got nice SMT reaction from fair value gap RTH test. Let's see how it goes. Definitely can be early, and I'm aware of this. I'm willing to give a second try later. Is it Asia? What kind of low is that? 1 second. That's pre-market, right? Why can be early, because I wouldn't mind to get London high first, so that's why I can re-enter later. But worth to try. I do like reaction from fair value gap and 3-minute OB, so technically it's my model here. That's why I feel okay to give it a try. Second try will be from London high. Exactly same opportunity. Damn, I don't play the trades before like 950, but here I know worth to try. Stop loss above 50%. I am trying to offer invalidation now. Let's see. Yes, still above previous daily high level. Didn't see pre-market low as well. Yes, didn't see enough liquidity for me as well. That's why I said I want to give this a try, because I see validation of this trade. But I will try again. Damn, second try again. But fine. Above London high. Da-dum, da-dum. Why my first attempts keep failing every single day? Maybe because I'm super early like nowadays to enter the trade. We'll try again after London high. Who am I to give up, right? Hourly candle. Damn. Okay. Testing 3-minute OB. Let me see where is New York midnight open. 1 second. So we closed above New York midnight open for now. Still, once again, perfectly fine to re-enter above London high. So far, just trading my TPT accounts, nothing else. So decided to start with them. Well, stopped out here. Okay. Why my first attempts keep falling? Okay, done for $150 for now. Gonna connect my TradingView accounts for this. Yeah, we'll try again after London high. Let's see. Willing to try again. Damn. What the heck? Okay, let's see. London high. I mean, worth to try. Setup was here. Look at this perfect 3-minute OB here. Perfect displacement after this near sweep. Break below New York midnight open, which confirms this 3-minute OB approach. I mean, it looked good. Let's try later. Again, let's see if we're going to see London high first. Well, I'm gonna wait. Last 2 weeks, it's like my ideal story, guys. Oh, it's not FOMO, it's my model here. Why it's FOMO? Like, we got nice 3-minute OB break below New York midnight open. Why it's FOMO? It's just like fine, you know? Sometimes it's gonna be like this. I just took a loss. I was trying to shorten Q. Okay, gonna wait for London high right now. We'll try again. We'll try again. One more sweep. Kind of choppy right now. We will see. We will see, guys. So far, acceptable loss. Don't tell me you want to do this again. No FOMO yet. I'm gonna wait for another confirmation. With white dress, with black dress, with pink dress, with blue dress, with yellow dress. I always look good. You stop trading? Just reduce your risk. It's fine. I execute on 3-minute chart over here. Where executed? Like somewhere here. What to expect? Why I'm just straight up? Why I'm keep going higher, but left daily fair value gap lower. Let's see if you're going to get another opportunity. If you see this market as gambling, like you can find like something else. Trading is not for you. I was looking for initial shorts from London high, but structure was done so good here. So I had to give it a try, you know? You want to trade after 10? We'll see. 12 minutes left. I still insist in an NQ trade. I already said this before, guys. I want to short. And here was short opportunity. Nice SMT, reaction from fair value gap, confirmed by 3-minute OB, break below New York midnight open. In my opinion, it was to try. Just was maybe early on this try, but once again, I had to give it a try. So far, done $450 on 5 accounts. 440 different fields. Biggest loss, $454. It was A+ for me as well. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to kill this today. I woke up with these feelings. We're gonna make money today. Right? What NQ is doing now? Trying to break New York midnight open again. Well. All right. Let's see. I don't have evaluations to play with this. I'm trading only funded accounts. I'm willing to try short again soon. On my Lucid and TradingView accounts. Trying to break New York midnight open again. Damn, I love it. At least to aim for Asia low. Let's see how we're going to support New York midnight open. Let me see this level on yes. Oh, we're way below this level. Okay, we will see now how we're going to support it first. Why I'm still super bullish? Technically, ES can pump. ES can pump to New York midnight open since NQ tested this level again several times. We're just trading at this level. So technically, we can go there. But I'm willing to try second short soon. I don't trade fair value gaps, and probably you want to tell me for executions. I don't use fair value gap for executions. Probably you want to tell me like, Dasha, you're missing a lot. not to use, like, when you don't use fair value gap. I know, guys, I know. I just doing better in older blocks. Look at YM. Hello? YM? I would like to see Asia low and weekly open, previous daily low level. Damn, I'm willing to try again. Guys, stop me. I want to short soon again. You have to say, Dasha, stop. Wait for 10. But I don't see entry yet, though. Dasha, don't... I mean, like, jokes aside, let's wait seriously. If I see validation, I will try. Where's my stop loss? 60 points. 60 points. 3 micros, actually. On TradingView accounts and Lucid. If I will decide to execute off New York midnight open. Do we have any news at 10? Maybe I'm just, I don't know, like, I cannot long this. I see like Asia low is coming, previous daily low is coming as well, but definitely I can be early. So I'm aware of this, going to wait for 10 a.m. I'm not gonna be in rush right now. FMC to that too. What I'm missing? Let me check 30-minute chart and 15-minute chart. We do have SMT at highs again. Absolutely ugly week on 15. Let's check early here. Five minutes left on this hourly candle. I'm gonna wait for 10 100% to execute something. But I'm willing to try short soon. Again, my second try. I really want to place a trade before 10, but I'm aware of this, that it can manipulate first. So probably gonna wait for early candle closure to try. For chart. I'm still bearish on 15-minute chart. I'm not bearish for the day. I'm bearish to Asia low and previous daily low level. I shorted before. It's gonna be my second trade. I shorted 3-minute OB. We entered at the open of next candle. I don't remember I entered. Here, I don't remember entry. But it was once we got 3-minute OB. It was my entry. I want to see a short to Asia low now. This try was like textbook to me. Hello. What is going on? All right, all right. Don't tell me anything, guys. Okay. Oh, it's fine. Damn, it's so annoying. Okay, guys. No comments right now, okay? I need to live with this for now. That was funny. Okay. Punch them all. Oh, fuck. It's fine, guys. Yeah, of course. Yeah. It's fine. I'm not going to take a break from trading. We got SMT. You know, let's talk about this just for 1 second. Looking in hindsight, looking in hindsight, setup here was 10 times better than here. I'm not going to cry. I'm just thinking, in hindsight, setup here, like structure, everything, 10 times better than here. I know. Still aiming for previous daily low level. We never hit this on the SNQ. That's how I see this. Like, in hindsight, you want to tell me this setup looks better? Like, more obvious than this? I wouldn't say so. I think. Should I mention best hand trade trader? I guess he in the chat. I guess he in the chat. Guys, good job, good job. Who got W? It wasn't me. Is he here? I'm not sure he's here. I cannot mention him. But yeah. Zhenya, we're waiting for you. Can you join, please? Five minutes. I mean, I know. Even here, you know, like even here, 5 minute B of OB was presented with SMT, with ES and sweep over here. Honestly, it was textbook short. Here, like looking at 5 minute chart, it wasn't easy. It's fine. 10:03. Let's get another trade. With his only on the floor, right? Yeah, yeah. The only day I decided to trade like after market open, it didn't work. Every single time when I decide like I'm going to wait for 10, it always works. Oh my god, that's... Oh, by the way, Asia low is here? Oh, I got it. Why I highlighted Asia low wrong? And no one told me this. Asia low was here. Okay. All right. I didn't realize this. Anyway, look at this. We still above previous daily low level. Damn, no. Gonna look for another short. Otherwise, scam. It's this minor SMT once again. Open like 15-minute chart or open hourly chart. Right now, if it's going to reverse, it's gonna be from nowhere. It goes to target. It's true. Unfortunately. Okay. You know, guys, I want to be serious for 1 second. In hindsight, our short 10 times better than this short. Even like we got nice fair value gap, displacement fair value gap, and 3-minute OB formation. No, I would like to see ES taking out previous daily low level. Maybe once again. NQ will not take this level, which will be scam and crazy, but maybe. But ES needs to hit previous daily low level. Ta-dam. Okay, guys, let's wait for a second try. It's fine. It's fine, guys. It's fine. Let me read the chat. Gold, please. Let's check gold in one moment for our chart. Almost looks like we want to. Exactly. I want to see silver as well. But we need to trade into previous daily low was so bad. We'll kill this. I feel like silver bullet, not now, just later. Maybe after 10:30 a.m. we're gonna get second trade. All right. Why? Because we're the best, of course. I'm gonna check my TradingView. Beautiful TradingView. Because I'm doing so damn good there. I do like my consistency on TradingView, 22%. It's so good. The same. I was in before. As you can see, I stopped out so far by 2 points. I'm waiting for second try. Painful, but sometimes it's gonna be like that. I feel like it's going to pump to London high now, so I will give the second try. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Gold. Chris, why are you saying it's tricky? Honestly, it was quite obvious that we need to drop, in my opinion. Hardest part probably is to find entry, but I use Replikanto, absolutely love this copier. Hope to get in second trade. On yes, what time is this now? Oh, it's 10:10. Okay. On NQ it was a bit more obvious trade, but once again, let's be patient, guys. So far, I call this paper cut. Sorry guys for not best performance last 2 weeks. Seriously doing my best, but probably a bit confused with my bias every single day. Probably confused with structure on high time frame as well. Didn't hit 25. Should go lower. Today. More to downside. Previous daily low level on this chart. 1 second. This one. It is perfectly fine with reversal after hitting previous daily low level. Guys, we will do good. So far, just some down, a little bit like I call the setback, but it's fine. It calls ICT height from candles by Fadi on TradingView indicator. Once again, if you see like or you feel like it's hard, just manage your risk, reduce your contract size. Because why I decided to engage like now without waiting for any retracement? First, there was nice structure, but second, I see best move happens before 10 nowadays. Then it's chop for 3-4 hours. Then another real move happens. So, for example, last week I saw nice opportunities, but all opportunities were before 10, and after 10 it was just damn so choppy. And I was like, I need to just look for opportunity like before 10. I feel like, guys, sorry, We can pump to London high now. So that's why I don't want to engage in another short. I'm gonna wait for obvious silver bullet. No, Maxim, I didn't want to say this, by the way. Didn't even think about this. Okay, let me compare ясненький on 20-minute chart. No SMT, right? Or wait, no SMT. Like just minor SMT, not going to count this. What else? What else? Nothing. Asia low taken, by the way, beautiful. Definitely can retrace higher to London high, to short from there again. I didn't think about this, even like now. Best move prima. I mean, we can find nice move like at any time. Just need to be patient, right? Markups, 5 minutes. Did I delete them? I had 3-minute chart drawings only today. Is it up close candle or down close candle? So I'm gonna wait for a move higher now to sweep London high. Then we'll look for another opportunity. It's gonna be my New York midnight open level. Still below this level, but would like to see slightly higher first. I don't want to engage in shorts now. How you like remember all of these posts? Okay, let's see if you're gonna sweep London high to look for another opportunity. So probably you want to ask me like, Dasha, if you expect to get like London high, why don't you want to engage in this trade? So my answer is simple. So since I'm looking for lower, I would try to be patient and wait for move over this level to short from. So here I don't really anticipate to get nice long. It can happen, but I'm kind of short biased now. I prefer to wait to hit my level to short from that level. Sometimes I see perfect long opportunity according to my model to obvious key level. I can engage. Here it's quite choppy. But I don't like to say since it's FOMC it's bad price action or since it's NFP it's bad price action. No, for some people it's just textbook price action. Your bias is my friend. You think you're alone? No, not at all. Guys, give me 2 minutes, okay? I'm going to come back now. Yeah, trust your plan. Guys, be good guys and girls. I'm going to come back in 2 minutes. So, what did I miss? Say hi to chat. Fake plant. Is that your favorite phrase? Don't say this in Russian places, okay? Nothing good about this. So let's see how you're going to support New York Midnight Open, guys. Or let me talk with you guys. I love to talk with you. So, like, real question. 1 second. My sister. Like, guys, so your outlook for the day. Let's say you have no idea that we have FOMC today. Like, honestly, I want to talk about this. That's actually an interesting point, okay? Let's talk about this for a little bit. From what I see so far, as you can see, we got absolutely nice bullish closure. I took just one trade. It was short on NQ, didn't work. So far, just waiting for second try. We got nice SMT at highs, but at the same time, YM keep making new all-time high over and over again. At the same time, yes, you see bearish candle. Absolutely no reason at this point to look for like also done. So I know like sell side here or somewhere there. So at this point, we're looking for what? We're looking for a reversal. Reversal after hitting any internal liquidity levels, right? So we're still bullish. We just anticipate to get a retracement, right? So how I see the picture, we see in previous daily low level, maybe only on ES, on NQ it fails. I did on NQ too. And I'm looking for longs all the way up to all-time high. Looking just right now, I cannot like think about longs simply because if I want to pay attention on 4 chart and daily chart, we did absolutely nothing. That's why I'm still waiting for move towards 4-hour fair value gap again, where we have nice London high and 50% of our fair value gap. And I will try to short again. I would like to get this internal SMT to long to all-time high. That's my ideal plan. So guys, what do you think about my plan? That was my short, by the way, didn't work. Looking for London high and probably 50% of our fair value gap. Will wrap in Russian. It's gonna be hard. Click the like button, guys. Let's get nice textbook trade today. And you will tell me like, Dasha, you have no idea how to trade. Do something else. Again, because lots of people said this yesterday and I was like, damn. What is my favorite trade? I wish I could show you and we can listen together, but YouTube will block me. I don't have monetization on my YouTube, but I can get a strike because I use copyright music. Because I know someone in the chat. But, guys, look at this. Look at this. Isn't that amazing? Love you guys. That's all because of you. 1 million soon. Guys, it's totally depends on you. Looking for London high now. Let's check 3-minute chart and 20-minute. Okay, 3-minute to be wasn't confirmed. Oh, actually, was confirmed above New York Midnight Open. But move towards London high will be nice. To the next person. Absolutely. What Frank said. So guys, I truly appreciate your support, and I'm going to repeat this over and over again. I'm happy we're here to help each other, to support each other and respect each other, right? AMD, are you going to play? I actually played. I wasn't short, guys. We shorted together right after market opened. We short 3 million TOB. It was at 9:33. I don't remember what time it was, actually. I stepped out. Looking for London high now. Where's London high sitting at 30,584, but maybe I would like to see 620 test as well. Okay, it's an interesting question. If you think like I'm tall, what tall means in your understanding? Like how tall I need to be tall? Six feet. I'm 5'6", by the way. It's like average, I would say, in my country. Amelia, you're not alone. High five, my friend. We will do better soon. It's like average, yes. In Belarus, like majority of Belarusian girls like that. You got this right. We're still approaching New York midnight open, and yes, gonna wait for London high sweep. Or we got 3 minute OB. I believe if it's going to like offer retracement, it will be retracement, not reversal. As long as we're below New York midnight open, and yes, there is a chance to look for move higher still. Nice 3 minute fair value gap here. Look for gold, sure. Gold. What's that? So my weekly draw on gold. Weekly, not for today. That's important to understand this. I'm looking for 45.75 on gold within next 2 weeks. I want to see 4,575. I'm bullish. Not today, it's just choppy right now. So technically what we can get this one. Like maybe today. Sweep, sweep, move. This one. So today I probably expect to get the rest of consolidation. Maybe sweep of this highs and consolidation. And tomorrow we can get like down close candle to sweep this consolidation lows and longs. But overall with the next 2 weeks I'm looking for higher. I wouldn't place any positions on gold today because it's quite choppy, not super obvious yet. I keep... It's GC futures, so it's gold futures. But just don't pay attention on the price. I believe chart looks the same. He's not Russian. Who? Looking for Russian man 5'8". By the way, my husband is 5'8". Pash is long? No, is tall? I believe yes, he said he's tall. Tell me about NQ. So, talking about NQ, guys, I'm looking for London high and the test. I mentioned this at 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. on Twitter. I want to see, as long as it's below 50% of our fair value gap, I want to see previous daily low level. To long to all-time high. So first try was we respected, we stayed below 50% of our fair value gap. We got SMT with ES over here. Over here, I traded right after market open. Okay, let me show you, not in hindsight, like this. We got nice SMT with ES. Don't pay attention, just indicator here highlights SMT. We got 3-minute OB with displacement. Also, with this displacement, we got the closure below New York midnight open. Also, it formed fair value gap. I placed my short, don't remember for sure exact price, somewhere here. Stop loss, and I was looking for pre-market low, Asia low, and previous daily low level. So since we trade in props, I always say, take partial, no matter what. Pay the trader. Once again, in hindsight, damn, it's so good. Here, it failed to take sell side. My husband already told me, like, Dasha, you had to close at break even. Since it failed to take sell side, it will go to opposite liquidity level. Yes, this is what I did. I stopped out. Absolutely amazing. Here, what I saw, I was kind of confused what I should use in order to enter short again. So here we dropped to pre-market low, Asia low, but did not hit previous daily low level. I didn't engage in this trade. So what I expect to get here, probably I'm gonna wait for the test of London high to try to short again. So what do you think about this? Was it a good trade if you just joined, guys? Would you take this trade as well? I mean, probably you took this. I don't know. I'm just trying to explain what I saw. I mean, you can just watch in replay, but yeah. Let me clean my chart a little bit. Lots of drawings here. I would take this again as well. Most of my trades where I took last this week, I would take this again and over again. I didn't take a second short. Wanted, but didn't. I seriously see, guys, previous daily low level today. I seriously want to get this today. $670, that's a bit high for me, because as long as it's below 50% of our fair value gap, I'm looking for shorts. So 630, I would say that's my like highest level for short. I mean, also you can like add like it took buy side liquidity levels. Yeah. Look at the SPX. It left 25% of gap. We should come back. Give me a second try, please. Give us trade. Give us trade. Give us trade. See this? No comments. That's actually wild. Let's see if it's going to sweep our closure. Double highs. That's why I have the 3-minute OB. Don't like and yes failed to take New York midnight open. You want to see 585. So technically London high. Okay. You still short? Oh, damn, where was your stop loss? Give us straight, give us straight, give us straight. Oh, yeah. Part of me wants to short this now. Let's see. Absolutely nice swing. Okay. 504. Question about props. Yeah. While we're waiting for second trade, guys, let's talk about this. I don't trade lots of like props. I don't trade with top step. Main reason because I don't want to jump between between platforms, Project X and NinjaTrader. It's really hard for me to focus on two platforms because I can be only focused on one thing. It's me. I don't trade with my funded futures. I don't trade with top one futures. I don't trade with. I try to trade with Legends. Don't trade right now. I don't trade with Blue Sky. I don't trade with Intraday. So I trade like mostly trade Apex, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, and Tradify. That's my top 4. Also, I added E8 futures and funded next futures. It's gonna be like 5, 6. Not going to talk about them for now. For now, I'm going to talk about Apex, TPT, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, and Tradify. So if I want to like find who's going to be on first place, it's gonna be probably hard choice, Lucid or Tradify. Probably Lucid. Why? Lucid has one-time evaluation fee, and you can pick option. On Pro account, let's see, maybe I will short soon. On Pro account, you can pass for 1 day, but you're gonna have consistency on funded. Are you okay with consistency? That's main question. Looking for short soon. Flex, you're going to have consistency on evaluation, but not on funded. You're going to have payout cap, but no buffer for payout. So probably if I want to pick Lucid, interesting short here probably. If I want to pick Lucid, I will pick Lucid Flex 50k, especially for beginners. Tradify, personal trade with Lightning funded, just my preference, guys. Not fan of passing evals. But probably I would go with Select. Once you pass Select evaluation with consistency on evaluation, you can pick between Flex and Daily. Daily, you can take payout daily above the buffer. On Flex, you need to trade 5 days with minimum daily profit. Tradify Select, 50k for beginners, 150k for more advanced traders. If you like take more contracts, more risk, 150k is your option. Always say 50k is the way to go. Then Take Profit Trader. I personally have 50k in 150k account. It's up to you. So 50k is once again is the way to go, especially if you pick and Take Profit Trader, because once you pass your evaluation, which has consistency rule, you're not going to have consistency on funded and no payout cap. So easier to build the buffer and Take Profit Trade in 50k account to take payouts daily. So 50k Take Profit Trader, way to go. And Apex 50k intraday trading drawdowns option for me. Especially new plan, it requires less minimum profit day. Damn, looks good. Let's see. It requires minimum daily profit $200, comparing to $250 on end of the day, up to 20 accounts, and no consistency in evaluation. I hate building the buffer. Guys, I'm probably gonna try short soon. Let me set alert here. Main reason why I don't trade with top step. Main reason, it's so hard for me to focus on two platforms. All my props right now on NinjaTrader and Tapstep will be on Project X. This means if I want to execute, I'm gonna execute on two platforms. Damn, it's so hard. Stop loss will be 80 points to make 140 points. Looking for short here. Break below New York midnight. I will put my stop loss here. Where's daily? Oh, sorry guys, not the chart. I don't know about where I'm going to put my stop loss. Probably somewhere here, but it's still 80 points. Let me highlight weekly open. I will show you. Maybe it's gonna retrace so we can reduce risk. We will see. Stop loss is huge on NQ, unfortunately. Where's at 504? Okay, let's see. So while looking for short, ES left previous daily low level. SPX left 25% of all RTH gap. We broke below New York midnight open on NQ, and we stayed below New York midnight open on ES. So technically valid short. Definitely can fail. Let me hide this one for now. Let's see. We got 3-minute OB as well. SPX crossed my 25% of gap. Did ES traded to previous daily low level? Yes. So, okay, I would like to be a bit more careful here. He has just traded into previous daily low level. It's huge stop loss. That's why I'm like, yeah, I don't trade inversion fair value gaps, but it doesn't mean like we cannot execute because I don't trade inversion fair value gaps, right? Not yet. Guys, I will show executions. Let me check hourly chart here. I'm gonna delete for now since I'm not in this trade, but what I want to tell you guys. I'm gonna open daily for 1 second. So technically, I can be okay if NQ will fail to take previous daily low level, if ES takes this level. Lowest level on ES today, 7550, 7,550. Let's see. $75.83. Still below. Let's see. If I will long in ES only. Obviously, yes. Let me switch on ES. MES. I'm gonna switch on MES here, since I'm probably gonna trade ES today, the rest of the day. SPX hit 25% of gap. That's absolutely amazing. Overall chart looks ugly. It's just classic SIG industry profile. Because it's SMT technically enough for me. I'm gonna check out real quick. 15-minute chart and 30-minute chart. 30-minute chart looks bad. It's just like overall ugly. Yes, you're right about this. It will validate longs because we're going to get validation of SMT in confirmation of reversal. You know, I'm down $450 on TPT account so far. Oh yeah, I took short on NQ right after market open. You can see this perfect trade over here. I stopped out. Oops. Nothing to be proud of, but it was a great try. One of the... I would call this A+ setup here. I'm looking for second trade. No, 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 no. I will enter on a yes long, but not now. Need to validate SMT and reversal from previous daily level. Nothing yet. Nothing here yet. Can you trade gold? I usually can trade gold, but not now. I don't see setup there. It's just chop. Will long, yes, soon. How big range? Let me take a look. 10 points, 5 micros. How gold is chop? You know, I have no idea. It definitely doesn't look like chop. Just textbook setups here. It's a gold chart. Oh, not here. I need to move like that. I keep jumping on different layout. Hello guys, hello. What the heck? Well, no comments. Damn, I absolutely love it. Did a lot of Judasing? Tell me more about this. So it's tradable, but but Washington. Trump speaking. By the way, financial juice is open, but I don't see like any major news. I see Trump speaking. That's pretty much it. But it was one of the worst delivery I ever saw in my life. That's what I want to say. We'll do giveaway. Yeah, just guys, give me like 5 more minutes. SpaceX should drop back to 150, 140 area. Let's check real quick. Let's check. I want to see way more to downside. Yeah, let's stop complaining, guys. So sometimes your model will not work and you need to be ready for this every single day. We always have another chance, right? I got stuck. Oh, yeah. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. I wanted to long 3 times today. Not long, short. Nice 2-minute bullish candle closure. It's not my SMT. It calls SMT indicator by FADI. Just go to indicator section, you'll find this. This one. It's available for everyone. Over here. This drop had to happen at the open. Let's be... Guys, I will show my positions if I'm on trade or not. I took only one position today. It was MNQ short right at the open. You clearly can see I stopped out on this trade. That's it for now. Settings for SMT. I have this on my Discord, by the way. Chart settings. No reason to enter short anymore. In my opinion. No reason for shorts. Anymore. Yes, definitely we can hit weekly open on NQ, but I would try to be careful. I was in this trade, I stopped out. We entered, if you just joined, guys, I entered short right at the open, after market open. That was only my trade. As you can see, it failed over here. That's only trade I took. I might try micro soon. This week's wild. You miss your chart where? I normally try to stay away from trading off stream. I would say 99% of my trades taken on stream. Sometimes I place position when I'm not at home. Yes, I trade off stream at this point, or it's late at night. I'm not on stream, but mostly I trade on stream, or I'm going to give my trade idea on my free Discord or Twitter if I'm not on stream. Yeah, we'll do giveaway soon, guys. But still, I'm proud of our performance today. We are the best as always. Looking for the break above this level on 2-minute chart. Might try to long to aim for 50% of our fair value gap and London high. Did you see your risk twice? Why? Well, remember beginning of... I'm not sure if you were at beginning of stream. I said, we're looking for short today to previous daily low level. Ideally on both yes and NQ. But what else I saw? I saw YM extremely bullish. What else I saw? At the same time, we got nice down close candle yesterday on daily chart on yes and NQ, which validated... I'm going to talk about the risk reward, 1 second, which validated a retracement, but not reversal. So I was looking for SMT at lows to look for all-time high right after this. SMT at lows meant we need to sweep previous daily low level and hit daily fair value gap. Ideally, I wouldn't mind to get this on ES and NQ without SMT, just move towards that area. But I can be okay with SMT that we have now. Just need to validate this SMT by shift in structure. Yes, my risk reward 1.5. My win rate with current market conditions, it's moving from 65 to 67% for 2 years. Guys, I don't have a Vals anymore to try to trade shit price action. We're doing bad. We're doing this only on funded accounts. So we're risking our funded accounts. Yeah, before 2026, my risk reward was 2R. So I shifted a little bit. It's fine, by the way. Sometimes I have 3R trades, sometimes I have 2R trades, sometimes I have 1R trades. Giveaway soon, guys. Yeah, soon. Yeah, anyway, my friend, anyway. Yeah, I truly believe you need to be flexible with your risk reward. If you see this hyperability setup but it's only 1-to-1, take it. Like textbook setup is here. It's worth to try, you know. As I promised, guys, yesterday, today we're gonna do Trading 550k select. And next week we'll do some straight to funded accounts. We will do Lucid accounts, Flex accounts. And we'll do E8 futures with Apex. Yeah, basically depends on drone liquidity, right? That's true. That's true. Okay, guys. Maxim, can you please send link for giveaway? Please. One more time. Thank you. Here's the link, guys, to enter giveaway. You have... I'm going to give you 2 more minutes to enter giveaway, and we will do... And we'll do this. You think I need to re-record my old videos? Yeah, that's actually a nice plan. Because it's been like 2 years. Yeah, sounds like a plan. We can record new videos about intraday, MMXM model. What else? What else I had? Some twins model. Open, high, low, close. Yeah. Chart trader is white. Let me check this how to fix. I'm gonna help you with this now. 1 second. So what you're gonna do in order to change your color? So click here, right click, go to properties. See this? Colors, chart background. Just change to black. So once again, let me show you. Right click, properties, chart color, over here, chart background. And here. Oh, you know, Cody, you're not the first person who's saying this. Obviously, it's getting better because I keep talking in English every single day and it's proven. So when I only started recording my videos 2 years ago, I didn't have practice. I was okay in like sending messages, writing essays, something like that, but I didn't have practice to speak with other people. Since I do this every single day, obviously it's getting better. You're very welcome. I hope you're going to fix this. Are you ready for giveaway? So once again, guys, sometimes you're going to have ups and downs in trading, and I want to say, like, you need to be ready for this. Impossible to win every single time, as well as impossible to be right all the time. Think about this, like, you're going to pay tuition for your education at the university. You need to pay your bills every single month. You need to spend your money when you're buying like milk, eggs, fruits, vegetables, because without this you cannot live, right? Same in trading, like it's impossible to be right all the time. Sometimes you need to pay to this market for your mistakes. You need a lot of practice. That's true. I'm not going to buy onions. But yeah. Okay, guys, let's start. Let me close my iPad. I don't need this anymore. And let's start. How much time? Almost 3 years. At least to see consistency in my trading finally. So that's our first winner. Are you in the chat? So let me tell you how giveaway work. This system works like this. If you won, let's say this week, and claimed your prize, you're going to be banned for 7 days. So you will not be able to win. I mean, you can participate, but you will not be able to win for the next 7 days. So if you want to tell me like this guy already won, this means it was more than 7 days ago. So we have guy in the chat. Congratulations, you won select evaluation. 50K select evaluation from TradeZella. I see you. Congratulations. I'm going to send your account right after stream. By the way, guys, if you want a growth account yesterday, I sent accounts last night around like 10-11 p.m. And if you're new to my channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe, click the like button. I do giveaways and live trading every single day unless I'm sick or something happened. More than 7 days? You think it's gonna... I will think about this. So usually you have 1 minute to claim your prize. I never won something in my life. Yay! Guys, you fast today. Congratulations. So once again, I'm going to send your account right after stream. And let's stay here for a little bit more. Seems like it's trying to do something here. Just stuck inside daily fair value gap. So sometimes you need to buy accounts for, I'm going to be honest, I'm always transparent about this. Sometimes I need to buy vals to give this to you guys. Sometimes how it works. Sometimes prop firms give me accounts to trade. I never trade these accounts. I give these accounts to you. I personally buy accounts to trade. Because when you fill the form for the first time, you need to confirm your email. That's why I understand, like, you're not bot probably. And like, I know, lots of influencers blow millions of accounts every single day, and you have no idea how many accounts were blown because they always hide their accounts. They never show this. They show only green PNL. I always show my account number so you can compare what was like months ago and today. That's why all accounts that I have that prop send me, I always send you. Like, I always do giveaway. I believe it's fair enough. Why I cannot see your name in this wheel? Simply because over than 500 names. If it's going to show every single name, you're in the system, don't worry. But if it's going to show every single name, it's going to take forever. It's just like bot that sends notifications. How to trade options. We need Apex. Let's do next week, okay? Apex. I do every single day, usually 2 accounts, sometimes 3 accounts. But so far this year, I did over... How many? We pick over than 220 winners this year. Damn, that's wild. So you can see the statistic. You can see winners here as well. It's real winners, by the way. We got over than 220 winners this year. I started doing giveaways every single day, beginning of this year. And I do giveaways every single day. So in order to check, guys, if I have giveaway or not, sometimes I have giveaway off stream. You need to go, that's my website where I run my giveaways. You need to go on this website and click giveaways here. This giveaway is over already, but normally I do giveaway like at 11. You can see how much time left to enter giveaway. We already entered this giveaway, we're done. But you see what I'm doing for giveaway. Sometimes it's TradeZella, sometimes it's something else. By the way, let me show you something. Where is me? We're gonna do this giveaway. Let's do giveaway like that. It's my book. How many copies I have at home? Let's do book giveaway next week as well. Oh yeah. Finger giveaway. Yeah. I will do, guys, you probably want to tell me. She's scammer, she sells a book, but if you knew on I need to, Michael, are you here? Not sure. See this? See this? ICT signed this book. It's Michael's signature. His stamp here. Oh, by the way, it's nice here. It's Michael signature, ICT signature. So I will do without signature, obviously. I will do give you this book next week. This book based on 2022 month. I wrote this book like 3 years ago. So obviously I have lots of new information, but new information available for free now. So here I covered, I will do giveaway. It's interesting. Lots of pictures here. But it's like introduction, you know. Kindle. It's about like what is liquidity level, what is external to internal range liquidity, everything here. I blew 10 accounts this year, so I even talk about market maker model with some settings from TradingView. You read the book How to Blow Account. Damn, that's solid. But honestly, guys, if you want to learn PDF guide, it's a bit old information. I did not upgrade this PDF yet, but go to description of this YouTube stream and find free prop firm guide. This is how you can manage your evals and fund accounts. And I hope it's going to work. You can request this. So far, nothing interesting is going on the market. So far, from what I see, technically still there is a chance to go lower because we didn't get shift in structure yet to downside. And I mean, weekly open still pending target on NQ, unless I see something like that tells me like it's long. That's wooden, right? Guys, look at these panels. See this? Like window light here, over here. See this? See this? It's gonna be funny, but it's not window. It's like actually light. Isn't that so cool? By the way, I have appointment today. What time? Oh, 12. For some second, I think it was a... See this light? So I'm trying to work on my background. I'm going to also put this one. I have strong desire to blow my Lucid black accounts to get direct accounts. Short still looks amazing. That's true. I have, by the way, LumiTraders sign. I'm going to probably put this as well. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Once again, it's because of you. Thank you for endless support and respect to this community. So we did this all together, right? So keeping my eyes on high time frame to validate any continuation or reversal setups. So technically it can be long once we're going to get 15-minute shift in structure. So we may make new high of the day, but we need to get 15-minute shift in structure first. On 3, not going to work. All right, people. If I will see any setups, I will signal this on Twitter or Discord. Free Discord link in the description of this live stream. If I decide to enter something, I hope so. I'm going to trade something. If you cannot hear from me on Discord and Twitter, this means I didn't place any other trades. But I will signal probably in Discord. Once again, link in the description under the stream. Free Discord, main chat or trading chat. I will send my trades there if I will see something. 15-minute structure. Let me show you. So it can be 15-minute OB. Longs above 75.84. All the way up to 20, 76.20, 76.15. Maybe. Love it. You know, guys, you need to be ready to be, like mentally ready to be read a couple of days in a row. Because how you manage your emotions in these days will define how you're going to trade in the future. Okay? So, for example, I was break-even yesterday, so far down $450. Do I have a desire to recover this loss now? No. Do I see model here to engage again? No. But once again, you need to accept the loss. It's much better to be like small loss, which you can recover later today when you see your model, or tomorrow, or just be done for the week. Like it's your weekly maximum drawdown, maximum loss. So just accept this. Super hard psychologically, but when you go to store and spend like $100, you're ready to spend this $100, and you're like not going to question yourself. Damn, I spent $100. Now I need to go like immediately and earn another $100. I don't want to like be right on the day, right? No, just accept this. You paid to this market today. It's fine. You paid for your mistake. So accept losses, accept red weeks, days, and don't focus on them. It's really hard. I know, damn, it's so hard, but keep going, guys. We all lose, we all win. Unfortunately. But yeah, tomorrow will be better. Maybe later today will be better. Right now, is it worth to try to trade something? Not really. Yeah, Sean, it's fine. Six straight weeks happens. Once again, how you control your emotions at this point will define if you're going to get green weeks soon or not. Next appointment will be... I need to color my hair again. See this mess on my head? I don't know when I need to schedule a appointment. But by the way, to color hair here in Boca, way cheaper than where I lived. I found Russian woman and it's like twice less. I was like, huh? What? But guys, I scheduled an appointment today for my facial. It's gonna be hydrofacial. Ask me tomorrow to show my face if it's going to be better. And I scheduled an appointment for face massage today. I want to look like I'm 18 again. Okay, like I'm 20 again. Yeah, Maxim, it looks bad right now. It looks like garbage. Brown? Oh no, I would like to do highlights and it's gonna be blonde. It's not bad with this light, right? But in real life. But yeah, looking forward to get face massage today and hydrofacial. I do hydrofacial once a month. Wait, well guys, if I will see any setups, I will let you know on Discord or Twitter. It will be blonde. Probably will schedule a beginning of next month. Guys, I'm 27. My birthday in 3 weeks. I'm gonna be 1 year older. July 8th. We will do birthday giveaway and stream. Brown? Yes, you're right, by the way, but I do like blonde. Yeah, July 8th. We'll do some giveaways. Anyway, you got my point. Right now it looks garbage. Looking for longs above this level on 15 to aim for 50% of 4-hour fair value gap. ICT trap trader speed. What are you talking about? Chris, please. Can you speak English with me? Mom's birthday? My mom's birthday, July 27. So try to learn from your mistakes. What happened that you lose? You had FOMO to engage in your trade? 27. Oh, 27. No. I'm kid of late 90s. What's the best way to send you PM? Amelia, Discord? Seriously? My dad's birthday, October 29. On buy? Well, sure. Before I leave, I have actually 5 more minutes. I'm gonna hide drawings to show. I'm gonna ask questions. Guys, I'm gonna ask you questions. So what you see right now, let's compare ES, NQ, and YM. So what we see so far? You see ES made all-time high. What happened on ES, not ES, YM made all-time high. What happened on ES and NQ? Yo, that's actually cool. My son's birthday, Nathan, is going to be 7 in August 17. Daniel turned 5 January 18. So as we can see, on ES and NQ, it failed to make all-time high. At the same time, we got SMT over here, right? Over here and over here. And we got drop. Obviously, it's not bearish. We got retracement, which confirms potential continuation higher to hit all-time high again. And to confirm this continuation high, we need to get SMT, internal SMT, where we're going to hit daily fair value gap. So far, I'm going to repeat this again. I'm perfectly fine with current SMT, especially if this SMT will be confirmed by 15 minutes shift in structure. So what we see so far, ES traded into daily fair value gap, swept previous daily low level, while NQ failed. Obviously not fan of this, wouldn't mind to get initially this level on NQ as well, but if it's going to confirm 15-minute shift in structure, I want to see bullish run. If it's not going to confirm shift in structure, expect to get another SMT, but already on medium time frame. This means NQ will drop to weekly open, most likely today, and we will get internal SMT, but not on high time frame anymore. It will happen on medium time frame, 15-minute or 1-hour chart. That's what we call medium time frame. And then we can try to long to all-time high. So right now, blinded trust 1-minute reversal since we got moved towards previous daily low level, probably not super smart in my opinion. But 15-minute to confirm potential market maker buy model on medium time frame, yes, it's gonna work so well. So right now, we don't have any shift in structure on 15-minute chart. I'm gonna stay with bearish outlook for now to trust plan number 2, plan B. We're going lower, NQ hits probably weekly open ideally, and we get an internal SMT. That's how I see situation now. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Why I want to see this? Because I want to see YM trading back to daily fair value because that was created yesterday. So I would like to get like 52,000 probably, and FOMC today, so it's gonna be interesting. No, MMXM, I cannot repeat, and I will not do this. So guys, I will see you later, not sure today, but I will see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. You're the best. Thank you so much for everything you do for me. Don't forget to click the like button. Don't make stupid mistakes. Subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow here on this stream at 9 a.m. If you have any questions, but don't ask me for money and for account. If you have any other questions, Discord, Instagram, Twitter, everything open for you. Okay? Now, I schedule appointment to skip FOMC because knowing myself, I can just be glued to my screen waiting for FOMC. You're the best, guys. See you tomorrow at 9 a.m. If I will see any trades, I will send in Discord, okay? You can spend time with me on Discord if you want. Love you guys. See you tomorrow. Don't make stupid mistakes.
Welcome to Funded.now, the ultimate hub for futures prop traders. On Funded.now, you can compare prop firms side by side, account to account, firm to firm, with powerful filters that help you find the exact account that fits your strategy. Trade micros? Hate consistency rules? Want EOD drawdown? Just set the filters and find your perfect match in seconds. You can also use built-in tools like the consistency rule calculator, lot size calculator, and drawdown simulator to plan before you risk real capital. Check which prop firms are available in your country, track your trading expenses, and stay updated with the economic calendar. All in one place. Stop guessing. Start choosing smart. Go to Funded.now and find the prop firm that fits you.